Watch what happens when thousands of tiny wood fibers are crushed and woven together to create a single sheet of paper. Welcome to the Bahram English 99 channel for English learners. A plastic Lego, a sheet of paper, an apple pie, and a sculpture made of old flip-flops all rely on the same root verb. But the tiny preposition that follows, of, from, with, or out of, changes everything about the sentence. Swapping just one of these words alters the speaker's meaning entirely, turning a simple description into a confusing grammatical headache. Navigating these phrases requires looking past the grammar textbook and focusing instead on how an object physically transforms from its raw state. You're listening to us from Bahram English 99. When you tie language to tangible physical observation, the rules become logical and much harder to forget. This is the transformation spectrum. It measures how much a raw material is altered on its journey to becoming a finished product, ranging from zero change on the left to a total physical transition on the right. On the far left, we find materials that undergo almost no physical alteration. When the material is clearly visible to the naked eye in the finished product, we use made of. Pick up a Lego block, and the plastic is right there. Look at a heavy dining table, and the grain of the wood is unmistakable. The material is still itself, so the Lego is made of plastic and the table is made of wood. At the opposite extreme, we use made from. This applies when a transformation is so absolute that the original material essentially vanishes. You cannot see the grains of sand once they are melted into a glass vase, and you can't find the tree inside a piece of paper. The origin has been completely disguised by the process. You are listening to us from Bahram English 99. Choosing between these two comes down to a simple visual check. If you can still see the original material, use of. If it's gone, use from. Those rules cover single materials, but many objects are built by combining separate, distinct components. When detailing a list of ingredients or the individual parts that comprise a whole, we use made with. An apple pie is made with fruit and flour, and a sauce is made with pumpkin. This even works for abstract additions. You can make a video with love or with care. Finally, we use made out of when the core material remains visible, but human creativity has forcefully repurposed it. Think of a bridge fashioned out of bamboo, or a house built out of old shipping containers. The original materials are identifiable, but they've been given a second, creative life. While of and from track the physical visibility of a material, with and out of highlight the human intention, the specific recipe, or the creative choice to upcycle. To master these, you only need to look for 4 triggers: visibility, invisibility, ingredients, or creativity. Let's see them in action. Question 1. A sandwich consists of bread, meat, and veggies. Which preposition fits best? Since we are listing ingredients, the sandwich is made with bread, meat, and veggies. Question 2. This bag was crafted from a pair of old jeans. The denim is visible, but the use is entirely new. This bag is made out of old jeans. Question 3. Cheese is derived from milk, but the liquid is no longer visible. That total transformation means cheese is made from milk. Question 4. A bridge is built from massive steel beams. You can see the steel clearly, and it hasn't changed its form. The bridge is made of steel. Fluency in these phrases comes from observing the physical world with precision. When you see the transformation, the grammar follows naturally. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, be sure to subscribe and set the bell icon to the all option so that if we upload a new video, a notification will come to you and you will be informed. Please don't forget to like and give us energy with your beautiful comments, and send this video to your loved ones so we can be seen more.